Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring precisely. 1 cup instant baking soda, 1/2 cup foaming soap, and 2 tablespoons hair conditioner. Combine on a flat tray so you can feel texture changes. This matters. Add 1/4 cup distilled water slowly, stirring as you go, because the goal is a cloud-like, non-sticky mass. Once the base forms, squeeze in color or mica for visual depth. Make sure to knead gently until the mixture holds shape, but does not cling to your fingers. Now you refine texture. Add glycerin or a tiny amount of saline. Start with 1 teaspoon glycerin or 1/2 teaspoons saline, because that strengthens without creating tack. Knead the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. This develops a light, airy network that mimics clouds. Test by forming peaks. If it sticks, sprinkle a pinch more baking soda and knead again. Once you get peaks that hold and the surface feels dry to the touch, you've balanced bind versus. To finish, shape and place your cloud no slime into an airtight container so moisture remains controlled. It stores up to 2 weeks at room temperature. If it feels too wet, add 1 teaspoon baking soda at a time and knead until right. If it crumbles, knead in 1 teaspoon hair conditioner. Troubleshooting key. If it becomes sticky from humidity, lay it on a tray, let breathe 5 minutes, then rework with baking soda. This restores the no-stick, cloud-like quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.